Rancho is embarking on one of the most important education initiatives of our time, which is how you really embed workforce development, training opportunities, not just a job, but an occupation. Tell me why I'm wearing this.
Oh, you're wearing these glasses for like protection, just in case we're working on something.
Yeah.
Something goes wrong, you never know. Screw, even some possible thing. We don't want your eye to be hurting at all.
Got it.
Sometimes, some kids don't even know what they want to do. And I feel that CTE helps to guide them after they graduate, because they've had a little taste of this, a little taste of that. It makes them have a better understanding and a better future.
Look at your intake. This is your cool air coming back in to the engine.
We are working on these work-based learning experiences for students. We're working with our state to try to find paid work-based learning opportunities.
You could probably use one of these.
What we're seeing around the country is that when kids actually are exposed to career tech ed opportunities, 94% of them graduate from high school, and of that, 70% of them go to college.
So our brakes heat up. What happens when you heat up water?
What's happening here is that the educators are making learning fun. And when young adults want to come to school, that's half the battle.
It's got a hose here that you plug into this.
Probably something fun that I like doing here is learning on hand stuff. Like my teacher, Mr. Taylor, he teaches me stuff. He gives me those safety procedures to learn this stuff, and that's just like fun to do.
Pull out because we don't want to cause other trouble.
I like to see the kids grow. I like to see where they go in life.
Clean it out and put some new one in there.
Let's make high school really the core for kids making decisions about, do they want to be in career? Do they want to go to college? Do they want to do both? That's what I see the future all across America, and Rio Rancho is leading the way.